Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Kool-Aid Icee cups for the summer. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 quarts of water for each pack of the Kool-Aid flavors that you're making. I also have 2 cups of sugar, and I have the blue raspberry lemonade Kool-Aid and also the tropical punch Kool-Aid. So you're going to be using 2 quarts of water for each pack and 1 cup of sugar. You're also going to need plastic cups. Okay guys, for the first flavor I'm using tropical punch. So all you want to do is pour it into your water. And I'm going to also add a cup of sugar to it. Guys, if you like yours sweeter, you can add more sugar. So all we're going to do is mix it until all the sugar is dissolved. Okay guys, next I have a baking sheet. It's easier just to take all of them onto the baking sheet to your freezer. So all I'm going to do now is pour our Kool-Aid into the cups. Next, you want to go ahead and repeat the process with your other packets of Kool-Aid. Okay guys, I made my blue raspberry lemonade and I'm going to pour it into the cups. Now we're going to put them in our freezer and we're going to let them freeze overnight. Okay guys, as you can see, they're nice and frozen. So we're going to let them set for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to turn them over in our cups. Okay guys, all you're going to do now is just squeeze around the cup to loosen up your Icee and press at the bottom and it should pop right up. And all you do is turn it over into the cup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.